Even if you're an experienced entry door installer, estimator, or construction supervisor, the tips, tricks, and applicable door installation wisdom you'll learn with a 2-day installer certification program at ProVia will change the way your business sells, estimates, installs, and works with homeowners. Witness firsthand ProVia door design and performance details in full factory tours. Have on-the-spot Q&A sessions with manufacturing and engineering specialist Todd Gibson. And begin to understand the reasons how and why ProVia doors are made to order, one door at a time, all to your customers' exact sizes and specifications. You'll see the many steps of ProVia quality control along the way. You'll see how each door, side light, and frame can be easily customized for width, height, and jamb dimensions. Your time in our door installation lab begins with insights into measuring and other basics you may have known but forgotten. We'll even drill down to just how much useful information is actually contained in one of our door labels. Our goal is to improve your profit margins when using ProVia doors, reduce mismeasures, and ultimately save time on the job site, all adding up to reduced callbacks and boosting profitability. Sign up today. Your customer satisfaction is a difficult thing to measure, but we're confident having a ProVia certified installer team at your company will keep customers coming back.